Welcome to my channel. Why is my Wi-Fi printer not responding? Step 1. Check the printer power. Make sure your Wi-Fi printer is turned on and there are no error lights or warning messages on the display. Step 2. Verify the Wi-Fi connection. Check that the printer is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Many printers show the network status on the screen. Step 3. Restart the printer. Turn off the printer, unplug it for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary connection issues. Step 4. Restart your router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router for about 30 seconds and plug it back in. Wait for the internet connection to fully return. Step 5. Confirm devices are on the same network. Ensure your computer, phone, or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the printer. Step 6. Check printer status. On your computer, make sure the printer is set as online and not showing offline or paused. Step 7. Clear the print queue. Open the print queue and delete any stuck print jobs. Then try printing again. Step 8. Run the printer troubleshooter. Use the built-in printer troubleshooter on your computer to detect and fix common problems automatically. Step 9. Update printer drivers. Download and install the latest printer drivers from the manufacturer's website to improve compatibility and performance. Step 10. Reconnect the printer to Wi-Fi. If the problem continues, remove the printer from your device and reconnect it to the Wi-Fi network using the printer's setup menu. Thanks for watching.